Can you please step back? Thank you. So, we're not taking him anywhere. Like I'll explain to you. I'll explain to you in 1 second.
I'm a recording monitor. I'm coming from the studio. I was recording. Could you give him the address to the studio? But this is, just so y'all know, I am going to sue the LA. Please, I am going to sue you because you took off my hat, you put cuffs on me.
We got a call.
I'm just letting you know about it.
We
were at
Please record me.
110.
Do not stop recording me. Y'all, what's up? This is Wyclef Jean. I am in LA right now, coming from the studio with T Baby, and y'all see the police have handcuffs on me. They just took off my Haitian bandana. That's what's going on right now with Wyclef in LA right now. The LAPD have me in cuffs for absolutely nothing.